Next, let's talk about orchestration workflows. So vCloud Automation Center relies heavily on vCenter Orchestrator, or VCO, to perform a lot of its actions and workflows. Now, VCAC can perform some of these actions on its own, but really when you get into the VCO integration is where you can really get into these more rich interactions and different external systems and workflows that VCO is able to integrate to. And you'll notice as you're going through building blueprints, you actually get access to the hierarchy of workflows within VCO. So things you've already defined, and you'll actually end up creating a lot of those workflows on the VCO side, then you can just run them because they show up in that tree for a blueprint item. So again, it's used for basically any external integration or workflow that is not out of the box through VCAC. And even the ones that are included with it also leverage VCO. So you'll notice there's a lot of vCenter operations that are already included, like creating VMs, creating ports on a DV switch, snapping a template, things like that. Those are all workflows within VCO that use APIs to talk to vCenter Server, and those are already defined. But you use the same process for external integrations or other systems that you want to hook into. The main way that you're going to run these orchestration workflows, again, is through VCAC. So the blueprint items are actually going to run the plugins or workflows defined in VCO. So now you can kind of see the two-way relationship there and how important VCO is to the operation of VCAC. Without that, we'd really lose a lot of our power to run these automated workflows and provisioning items, as well as we lose the external integrations. Additionally, for these orchestration workflows, you can apply that approval hierarchy as well. So maybe there's 10 steps in my workflow. You can actually insert different approvals into that chain wherever may be appropriate. So in that way, you can make sure every step of it is getting done in the proper order and the proper way. And within your own business, if there are different checks that need to be made at a certain points, or human intervention to say, oh, yep, that's okay, keep doing that, you can insert those approvals into that hierarchy there or that flow.